Boom shakalaka, everything is about to change for Bitcoin. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Bradley here from Crypto Love. Today's video, everything is about to change for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Before we get into it guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at @Crypto Love, and subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. Now, today, Fear and Greed Index at 49, dead neutral. We've been here for the past few days. The overall market sideways, Bitcoin 62,143, Ethereum at 2439, and BNB at 582. Now, Bitcoin, take a look at it just sitting in the pocket on this blue line, the 21 EMA, perfectly sitting on the 21 EMA, sitting right above this volume support here, also the 100-day moving average and the baby maker moving average, the 9-month moving average, sitting just below the 200-day moving average and trendline resistance for the bull flag that we were in, and this volume profile of resistance. So kind of just sitting in the pocket. What's going to happen next for Bitcoin? Well, so far October's been a bit of a disappointment. A lot of people said Rocktober, but so far it's been Sucktober. Now, the name may change by the end of the month, because if you see it right here, around the 19th of October, that's when most of these lines start going north. So we still have about 10 more days before we could expect to see a bit of improvement on Bitcoin price. And if you remember back, September was a pretty good month for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, it was the best September on history in the record books for Bitcoin. And every year historically, after a green September, guess what? Green October, November, December, generally accounting for roughly 40% of gains in Bitcoin during Q4. We also have the American election coming up not too long from now, month and some, and take a look at that. That's when things really start taking off, the time of the election. So we have a lot of stuff to look forward to for Bitcoin. But you know what? While we're waiting, the Bitcoin reserves on exchanges have hit a 6-year low. That means when things take off, there's not going to be any Bitcoin available. And that's going to cause a massive short squeeze, massive supply shock. So watch out for that, because it could be very volatile when it starts moving. We also have this, probably one of the best signs for Bitcoin in years. September, last month, again, a good month, the biggest month of monetary easing since April of 2020. And what happened after April of 2020? Bitcoin price rocketed to the moon along with cryptocurrencies. Could we see the same thing coming once again? Quite possible. Now, right now, Bitcoin is just retesting what was previous resistance, now support, and with oversold on the stochastic RSI, suggesting it is a local bottom as well. So once we find support here, then generally price would take off from that point. Also, the Puel multiple with this consolidation above bottom territory, but suggesting a mid-cycle top, meaning just a little bit of consolidation before things take off once again, not yet hitting that high of highs for a top. We did just recently have a breakout of the global liquidity index, which here in green with its moving average in red. Historically, when this breakout has happened, look at what Bitcoin did. Went on absolute tears. So it's only a matter of time before things really start moving. We have on the weekly charts a MACD cross here in the making, also pretty close to trendline support here. The last couple times, 100% gains, 170% gains. On average, that's roughly 140% gains. So that could be some pretty nice gains for Bitcoin. Also a golden cross coming on the Ichimoku. These are highly significant. The last time this happened, 145% rally. So go figure, 135, 145. And this 150, well, I don't exactly know, but about to have a cross of the 100 and 200 day moving averages, golden crosses. Take a look what happened each previous time. Price went up dramatically. So big moves coming for Bitcoin and for crypto as well. It's only a matter of time. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.